In this video, I will show how to add or create signature in Gmail with logo or image. So open Gmail and sign in, then settings. Here click on see all settings. Now in this journal tab, here is the option signature. Click on create new. Give your signature name. Then click on create. Here type best regard, your name, your contact number, your email, your website, so fill here this information. Now select this text and make it bold. Change font, color. Now here you can insert the logo or image. Click here. Then select it. If you see it's big size, so click on it and select small. Now check this box. Insert signature before the quoted text in replies. And here you can make more changes. You can insert the link for your website. Here you can change. You can insert bullets and dots. Like this. Now here for new email use, select best for your reply, then save changes. Now compose, so you will see this information already available. Also you can select from here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.